Okay, so right now for this video we will discuss about Mendel's experiment and his results. So for his experiment, and for the sake of simplicity again, we'll assume that all of his products, all of his pra parental crossing, the P generation, are actual true breeding. Okay, they're all, if I crossed the round plant with another round plant, its offspring would be all round. Okay, so they're all true breeding plants. And then it's the next generation, is results, is quite an interesting one. So we'll look, I'll remove this layer here, and then, oh, there it goes. Wow, it's slow. And you notice that its offspring, the F1 generation, shows that all of their offspring are one particular trait. You know, they are either all round, all yellow, all inflated for the pod shapes, all green for the color, and all purple. So, like, what happened? What happened to these smaller ones? The other ones, like the wrinkled one, the green ones, the constricted ones, they all seem to be missing. And yet he actually crossed one puberty with another. So he assumed there should be some wrinkled ones. So Mendel, like a true scientist and was very curious, he decided to cross the F1 generation itself. So he self-pollinated all of these guys. Okay, and another interesting result happened. So all the F2 generations have an interesting result. This time, not all the round ones became all round. All their seeds, I'm sorry, the seeds are not all round. Some of them are actually round, some of them are actually wrinkled. Same thing goes with the color, the shape, the pod's color, and the flower. So there is an interesting concept going on here, because when you cross these two, and then the results become one particular trait, and you cross itself again, the traits come back again. Now, he did a few math, and he looked into the numbers, and then he noticed that there's a certain pattern. So, if we simplify the numbers, it will give a certain result. So let's do the math, give you the result itself. And then here you see the ratios. The ratios are now 2.96 to 1, 3.01 to 1, and so on. So it's almost 3 to 1. Okay, these are his ratios, and it's more or less consistent in his results. So I'm gonna pause this video, and then we'll come back with an actual simplicity of what happened. So give me a minute. Okay, so we're gonna go into the details, and we'll look into one characteristic, and I'll demonstrate what exactly happened. So we have two purebred, two true breeding plant, and we crossed it. Okay, this would be known as the P generation, and its offspring, okay, let's make this one, are all round. Okay, this is my F1 generation, first offspring, and you notice that all of them are round. So it's like 4 out of 4 are round. Now what Mendel did, he took this generation and crossed it with itself. Okay, and this resulted in a different result. So you have 3 round and 1 wrinkled. And this is your F2 generation. Okay, what we have is a ratio of 3 to 1, 3 smoothed skin and 1 wrinkled skin. So 3 out of 4 are smooth and 1 out of 4 is wrinkled, or simply 3 to 1. Okay, so we'll explore this in depth, and we'll talk about law of segregation in the next video. So yeah, for now this is it. See you next time.